S4 push-button footboard assembly. Part of the push-button footboard assembly. How to assemble the S4 push-button footboard. Step 1. Assemble the push-button components and cover plate. Clip the buckle section of the footstrap assembly into the center of the cover plate. Ensure the footstrap assembly is the correct way around. On the underside of the cover plate, clip in the center lock plate mechanism. The protruding cylindrical pieces go through to the front side of the cover plate. Step 2. Assemble and position the rear lock plate. Insert the two small hexagonal nuts into the rear lock plate. Position the footstrap across the center of the back of the footboard, in the middle of the two center vertical bolt holes. Position the rear lock plate in the center in line with the two bolt holes. Hold this in position and turn the footboard around. Step 3. Attach the cover plate assembly. With the footboard facing upwards and keeping the position of the rear lock plate mechanism at the back of the footboard, place the spring into the center pocket of the footboard. Position the center circular hole situated in the cover plate assembly into the spring on the footboard. You will need assistance at this point to hold this piece into position. Insert the two long bolts into the outer vertical holes and thread the bolts through the footboard into the nuts in the rear lock plate. Using the 5mm Allen key, gently tighten these bolts to secure the cover plate and rear lock plate into position. Do not over-tighten these bolts. Step 4. Secure the cover plate to the footboard. Insert the 4 screws into each corner of the cover plate, and using a Phillips screwdriver, secure the cover plate to the footboard. Step 5. Attach the push button. Position the push button in the center with the lettering the right side up. Insert the two smaller bolts through the push button and using a 5mm Allen key, attach the push button to the assembly. Do not over-tighten these bolts. The button should spring up and down when you push it. Step 6. Secure the foot straps. Thread each end of the foot strap through each corresponding buckle and pull the strap through. Step 7. Insert the heel rests. Insert one heel rest at a time. To do this, push the push button and slide the heel rest under the cover plate. Release the push button to lock the heel rest into place. Repeat with the other heel rest. If the heel rest does not lock into place, please check the tightness of the bolts in steps 6 and 8. S4 push-button footboard assembly. Part of the push-button footboard assembly. How to assemble the S4 push-button footboard.